Welcome to the world of mathematics. Dive into the wonders of maths with Mind Over Maths channel. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is test of significance of single proportion. Test of significance of single proportion. Procedure for doing the problem. First step, null hypothesis. H null. Small p equal to capital P. Where small p is called sample proportion and capital P is called population proportion. Now, second point, alternative hypothesis. H1. Small p not equal to capital P means we call that to be two-tailed test. Small p greater than capital P means we will call that to be right-tailed test. Small p less than capital P means we will call that to be left-tailed test. So, third point, level of significance is denoted by alpha, which is 5% or 1% level. Now, we have to calculate test statistic. Test statistic. It is denoted by Z equal to small p minus capital P divided by under root PQ by N. PQ by N. So Q is 1 minus P. Sometimes P will be given directly in the problem, or otherwise we have to find the value. Now, what is that small p? Is the number of success divided by the total number of observation given in the problem. So, after knowing all this value, we will go and compare the calculated Z, which is denoted by mod Z. So, after finding the value for Z, we have to calculate to mod Z. What is the answer? So, and compare with your Z alpha from normal tables. From normal tables. After finding this, we will come to the conclusion. First case, if mod Z is less than Z alpha, we accept the null hypothesis H naught and we reject the alternate hypothesis H1 at 5% or 1% level of significance. This is first conclusion. Similarly, if mod Z is greater than Z alpha, we reject the hypothesis H naught. We reject the hypothesis H naught and accept the hypothesis H1. Accept accept the hypothesis H1 at 5% or 1% level of significance. So this is the procedure for test for significance of single proportion. Thanks for watching this channel.
Thanks for watching Mind Over Maths channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.